Hello, treasure hunters. Welcome back. Today, we are diving into the world of metal detectors. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, I have got you covered. In this video, we will be counting down the top 5 best metal detectors of 2024. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Teclung GTX 5030 H metal detector. This is not just any metal detector. The Teclung GTX 5030H is designed to meet all your treasure hunting needs with its advanced features and user-friendly design. Let's dive into what makes this detector stand out. The Teclung detector offers 2 distinct operation modes, all metal and disc. The all-metal mode is perfect for detecting all types of metals, making it a versatile choice for any treasure hunting adventure. It includes automatic ground balance and high sensitivity to ensure you don't miss a single find. The Teclung detector also features an adjustable rod, which allows you to modify the length of the detector for maximum comfort and ease of use. Whether you're tall or short, this feature ensures you can use the detector comfortably. One of the standout aspects is the improved display interface. The check meter and pointer provide clear and fast readings. When metal is detected, the meter pointer swings to the right, giving you immediate visual feedback. Additionally, the detector is equipped with sound prompts and a pointer that indicate when metal is found. You can adjust the volume using the control knob, tailoring the audio output to your preference. The Teclung detector has a maximum sensitivity that can detect objects up to 180 millimeters deep in all metal mode. It can detect a wide range of metals including iron nails, aluminum rings, coins, gold, copper, and silver. It operates at a frequency of 5.69 kHz and requires 2 9-volt batteries, which are not included. The detector's working current is 10 milliamps on standby and a maximum of 70 milliamps during operation. The adjustable stem can extend up to 1080 millimeters or 42.52 inches and retract to a minimum length of 780 millimeters or 30.71 inches. The search coil is waterproof with a diameter of 200 millimeters or 7.87 inches, making it suitable for various environments. Number 4. TIANXUN MD4090 Metal Detector with Memory. This metal detector promises high accuracy and ease of use, making it a fantastic choice for both beginners and experienced users alike. The TIANXUN MD4090 boasts high accuracy as a professional underground metal detector. It is equipped with an advanced liquid crystal display, which includes a memory function and backlight for clear visibility even in low-light conditions. One of the key features is the waterproof search coil. This design allows you to use the metal detector in various environments, including shorelines, mountainous areas, and fields. The waterproof capability means you can confidently search in different terrains without worrying about water damage. Whether you are a budding treasure hunter or an experienced metal detecting hobbyist, the TIANXUN MD4090 is user-friendly. Its design makes it accessible for beginners, while still providing the advanced features that seasoned enthusiasts appreciate. The detector is perfect for finding and testing a wide range of metal objects, including gold and silver jewelry, coins, and historical relics. Its versatility ensures that you can use it for various types of metal detection, from valuable treasures to interesting artifacts. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the TIANXUN MD4090 features a comfortable handle and adjustable settings. This humanity design provides a more enjoyable and convenient experience, allowing you to use the detector for extended periods without discomfort. Number 3. Tanxunzhe TC500 Waterproof Metal Detector. The Tanxunzhe TC500 Metal Detector is a professional-grade tool designed for adults who are serious about treasure hunting. This detector is 100 centimeters waterproof, making it perfect for searching in various environments like backyards, shorelines, mountains, or fields. With its high sensitivity, the TC500 can find the smallest gold nuggets, relics, and other hidden treasures. It is equipped with a smart sensor that detects the presence of nearby metals, whether they are hidden in objects or buried underground. Seeing the TC500, you can detect mineral deposits that are not deeply buried, including primary gold and other rich sedimentary sands. It is designed to find underground gold and silver jewelry, coins, and other metals. The height of the metal detector is adjustable, and it features ground balance and exploration mode recognition. Light and sound indicators will alert you when metal is detected. Plus, it has a low battery indicator and a digital display with a backlight function. Whether you are in a noisy environment or a crowded place, the headphone sound mode ensures a private search experience. The working frequency of the TC500 is 10 kHz, providing accurate and reliable detection. So, if you are looking for a reliable and efficient metal detector, the Tanxunzhe TC500 is a fantastic choice. Number 2. TIANXUN TX850 Professional Metal Detector. The TIANXUN TX850 is designed for serious treasure hunters with its impressive professional depth capability of up to 2.5 meters. This means you can detect metal objects buried as deep as 2.5 meters underground, making it ideal for thorough and extensive exploration. This metal detector operates on battery power, which ensures that it is portable and easy to use in any location. Whether you are hunting in a field, near a shoreline, or in other remote areas, the TIANXUN TX850 provides the flexibility you need. One of the standout features of the TIANXUN TX850 is its liquid crystal display screen. The LCD screen provides clear and detailed information about the metal objects being detected, making it easier for you to identify and locate valuable finds. Additionally, the TIANXUN TX850 has been certified by the Conformité Européenne, commonly known as CE. This certification ensures that the metal detector meets rigorous safety and quality standards, giving you confidence in its performance and reliability. The TIANXUN TX850 is equipped with an 11-inch search coil, which enhances its ability to detect metal objects over a larger area. This size is perfect for both general searching and pinpointing specific targets. Number 1. VEVOR Professional Rechargeable Metal Detector. First, let's talk about its incredible depth and sensitivity. The VEVOR Professional Rechargeable Metal Detector is precisely tuned to capture even the tiniest metal signals, ensuring that no precious treasure goes unnoticed. Its clear beep and liquid crystal display with backlight make it easy to operate in any lighting condition. Built to last, this professional metal detector is constructed from high-quality materials. It is designed to operate reliably even when submerged up to 10 feet underwater. The upgraded detection precision ensures that finding rare metals is both efficient and effective. The VEVOR metal detector features a 12-inch search coil that is both lightweight and portable. Whether you are on an outdoor adventure or conducting an indoor search, this detector is designed for ease of use. Additionally, the adjustable handle extends from 39 inches to 50 inches, accommodating users of various heights for a comfortable experience. Adaptability is key with this detector, as it comes with 7 different modes: all metals mode, pinpoint mode, jewelry mode, coins mode, debris mode, ornaments mode, and custom mode. Whether you are searching for metal foundations, conducting security inspections, finding lost items, or hunting for treasures outdoors, these modes help you achieve your goals. Everything you need for an effective treasure hunt is included with the VEVOR metal detector. It comes with a Bluetooth headset, so you can hear signals clearly even in noisy environments. The package also includes 4 rechargeable batteries, a handbag for easy storage, a digging shovel, a precision locator, and a battery charger. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best metal detectors of 2024. Check out the links in the description for more details on each metal detector. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right metal detector for your adventures. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow treasure hunters. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews, tips, and treasure hunting adventures. Thanks for watching, and happy hunting. See you in the next video.